In today's video, I will walk you through how to make a splash poster design in Canva. After opening a new Canva project, go to Elements and type Paint Splash. Then go to Graphics and choose the Paint Splash design shown on the screen. Increase the size and place it in the middle of the page. After that, change the color to black. Next, go back to Elements and type Brush. Choose the brush graphic shown on the screen and change its color to white. Increase the size and place it in the middle of the splash design like this. Now go to Text and add your text. Change the font and use the same font shown in the tutorial. Then adjust the letter spacing to 6. After that, go to Effects and choose Curve. Adjust the curve until it matches the shape shown on the screen. Increase the size of the text and position it like this over the design. Once everything is placed correctly, download the page as a PNG file. After downloading the image, select all the elements on the canvas and delete them. Then upload the PNG image that you just created. After that, upload the image you want to use as the background. Make sure both images have the same resolution. Next, go to Apps and type Blend Image. Choose the app shown on the screen. Click the first image and use it as the top layer. Then click the second image and use it as the bottom layer. Go to Blend Mode and choose Screen. After that, click Add to Design. Once the blended image appears on the canvas, delete the previous photos and now increase the size until it fills the page properly. And that's the final result for the splash poster design in Canva.